So I will talk about something today very interesting. I think you never heard, or maybe you heard but you don't understand. I will talk about the spiritual side of sneezing. Why is happening when you have no reason. For example, you feel very good, but sometimes we just sneeze without reason. Of course, it can happening because of allergy or something, but I talk about when you sneeze without reason. That means you get somehow higher energy, higher than your level. That means, for example, when the light is coming to your heart, it's open your heart chakra. It's opening your heart, and when it's open very quickly, very